Worried about keeping your Ton wallet secure and private within Telegram? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to disconnect and remove your Ton wallet from Telegram, boosting your digital security. First, open your Telegram app now. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to find your Ton wallet, but it's usually named something like Wallet or Wallet in Telegram. Once you've found the bot and open the chat, look for the menu icon. This might be 3 horizontal lines, or you might see commands listed directly in the chat. Locate the settings option. Within the settings menu, you should find an option to disconnect your wallet, remove your account, or something similar. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the bot version. Select this option. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation message carefully, making sure you understand the implications of removing your wallet. If you're sure, tap the confirm button. You should receive a confirmation message from the Ton wallet bot confirming that your wallet has been successfully disconnected from your Telegram account. For an extra layer of security, you can also delete the chat with the Ton wallet bot. Simply long press on the chat in your chat list and then select the delete option. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Ton wallet from Telegram. Remember to keep your private keys safe and consider using a dedicated wallet for long-term storage. Keep your digital assets secure.